In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva on your laptop. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, having Canva easily accessible on your computer can be a game changer for your creative projects. So let's get started on getting Canva installed on your laptop. First, open up your preferred web browser. For most of us, that's probably Google Chrome, but whether you're using Safari, Firefox, or Edge, the process will be essentially the same. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you're going to type in Canva download for Windows. This search will help you locate the official Canva download page quickly and efficiently. Once you've entered your search terms, hit the Enter key, and you'll be presented with a list of results. Look for the link that directs you to the Canva website, specifically to the download section for Windows. This should be one of the top results, so it shouldn't take long to find. Click on this link to proceed to the next page. Now that you're on the Canva download page, you'll see an option to download Canva for Windows. This button is usually prominently displayed, so it should be easy to spot. Click on it and you'll initiate the download process. For the Canva desktop application, the download will begin, and you might see a progress bar or an indication in your browser that the file is downloading. Once the download is complete, you'll need to locate the file in your Downloads folder, or wherever your files typically download to. This is usually straightforward, but if you have trouble finding it, you can check your browser's download history for help. After locating the downloaded file, double-click on it to start the installation process. A setup wizard will guide you through the installation. Follow the prompts carefully, as they will ensure that Canva is correctly installed on your laptop. You may need to agree to some terms and conditions, and you may be asked to choose a destination folder for the application. If you're unsure, it's usually safe to go with the default options. Once the installation is complete, you'll find Canva in your list of programs or apps. You can now open it and start designing right away. If you have an account, log in with your credentials, or if you're new to Canva, you can create an account to start exploring all the design possibilities it has to offer. And there you have it. With Canva downloaded and installed on your laptop, you're all set to unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.